fix auto rotate on Android mobile. This video will guide you to fix auto rotate issues on your device. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to go and get access to your quick settings panel and then search for auto rotate. If it is turned on, simply you have to tap on auto rotate and turn it on. On my case also it was turned off before, due to which the auto rotate issue was happening on my Android mobile. If this is the issue, then you can easily fix within one tap. But if it is not working in this way, or if you don't find auto rotate here on this quick settings page, you can select the three dots at the top right corner and then select edit tiles. Maybe under the more functions you will get the auto rotate and you can easily drag and drop on this quick settings page in this way if the auto rotate option is not available on that quick settings page. And you can easily turn and fix this auto rotate issue on your Android device. If it is not yet working, then maybe on your mobile itself there might be issue which is causing auto rotate not working on your device. For that, you need to simply switch on or switch the power off or restart your device by holding your power button. Using the slider, you can either slide down and power off, or you can slide towards the off and restart your device. Once done, you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. So doing so or doing all this step will fix auto rotate issue on your Android device.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.